Hi there, Quinn here with Marq, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our free book cover maker in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, go ahead and select Start Designing on the free book cover page or the Sign Up Free button anywhere else on the site. If you haven't already, this is going to prompt you to create a new free account with Marq. After finishing up with those steps, you're going to land on your new logged in home page. Now, step 2, you have 2 options. You can either come up here and select New Project and create from blank or choose from template here. Option 2 is to come over to the left-hand navigation and come down to templates. You'll see that I've searched for book cover to give me something to start with. Now, direction for choosing between option 1 and option 2 may come from the requirements of your project. For example, whether or not you need custom dimensions or you want to start with something already in place. In this case, we're going to go ahead and select a blank project for a custom dimension cover by the requirements from Amazon Direct Publishing. Now with your dimensions in place, step 3 is the fun part. Start designing. Whether starting from a template or from scratch, you can input your text elements, your images, your fonts, and your colors to make your book cover. And just like that, you've created a free book cover in just 3 easy steps. Now you can export that book cover in multiple file types depending on where you need it to go. And that's not even the best part. Now you can take your book cover and other things that you created inside Marq and make templates out of them, collaborate with others, use dynamically populated fields, and so much more. Stay tuned for more videos where we show you these awesome features and help you get the most out of Marq to enable your brand.